D. Effective homemade fruit fly spray.
Hello there, DIY enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about an eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and extremely effective solution for your fruit fly problems. That's right, we're making our own homemade fruit fly spray. The good news is, you don't always have to rely on store-bought ones. You absolutely can make your own fruit fly spray at home. Let's dive into it.
Why use homemade fruit fly spray?
When dealing with fruit flies, many people immediately reach for commercial sprays. However, these products often contain harsh chemicals that may harm us, our pets, or the environment. On the contrary, homemade sprays are typically made from natural, non-toxic ingredients, which are safer for everyone and equally effective. Plus, they're often cheaper and you probably already have the ingredients at home.
What do you need for your DIY fruit fly spray?
Making your own fruit fly spray is very simple. Here's what you'll need. Dish soap. This breaks the water's surface tension and helps the spray adhere to fruit flies. Apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. This serves as a potent attractant for fruit flies. Water. Used to dilute the vinegar and soap. A spray bottle. To mix and store your homemade fruit fly spray.
How do you make and use your DIY fruit fly spray?
Let's get into the actual recipe. Here's how you make and use your homemade fruit fly spray. 1. Mix half a cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water, and a few drops of dish soap in the spray bottle. Shake well to combine. 2. Identify the areas where you usually see fruit flies, like your kitchen or fruit baskets. 3. Spray the mixture in these areas and on any visible fruit flies. 4. Wipe down the sprayed surfaces with a clean cloth. 5. Repeat daily or as needed until you no longer see fruit flies. Remember, this spray is safe to use around your home, but it's always good to test a small area first, especially on delicate surfaces. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can make and use your own homemade fruit fly spray. It's simple, effective, and a great alternative to store-bought sprays. We hope this DIY solution helps you deal with your fruit fly problems in an eco-friendly and cost-effective way. Remember, the key is persistence. Keep spraying daily until all the fruit flies are gone. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing!